The base rate is the rate that Bank of England charges other banks and financial institutions to borrow money. The base rate is used by the banks to set their own interest rates on mortgages and savings accounts. When the base rate goes up, borrowing will be more expensive. This can make getting a mortgage less affordable as interest rates will be higher. However, lenders usually factor in any predicted base rate rise before it's announced. So you won't see mortgage rates suddenly jump up on the day a base rate increase is announced. However, you might be offered higher rates for fixed rate deals than you would have been a few months before. If you're on a variable rate, you will see an immediate impact on your mortgage costs when the base rate rises. Mortgage rates depend on the type of deal you go for. Some mortgage deals, like base rate tracker mortgages, track the base rate at a set percentage. For example, you might have a tracker mortgage that moves at 1% above the Bank of England base rate. If the base rate is 2%, this means your interest rate will be 3%. If the base rate falls by 1%, your interest rate will do the same. Other mortgage deals, like a standard variable rate, discount variable rate, and fixed rate mortgages are influenced by the base rate and don't track at a set percentage. This is why their rates are different from tracker mortgages. The Bank of England sets the base rate 8 times a year, about every 6 weeks. The base rate does not necessarily change every time they meet. Over 2023, the base rate has been increased repeatedly by the Bank of England to combat climbing inflation. By increasing the base rate, the Bank of England is trying to stop consumers from spending and borrowing so much. This slowdown in spending means companies can't increase their prices as quickly. This should, in theory, reduce inflation. Luckily, there are ways to get access to lower rates, even when the interest rates are high. To see what options are open to you, create a Tembo plan for a personalised recommendation.